How to make family album on TV.
Ho ho ho! Open 1001 TVs on your phone and choose Family Album. Make sure you install 1001 TVs on your TV as well. Choose the TV you wish to show your photos on. Tap on Send Files to select photos. Wait for 1001 TVs to transfer your photos to your TV. On TV, select Family Album in 1001 TVs app. All photos you uploaded are here. Click play to play photos in full screen. If you'd like to delete or add photos, tap on Manage Files. Select your phone. Now you can delete the photos like this. You can go back to upload more photos by Send Files, like you did before. This Christmas, light up your living room with Family Album. Ho ho ho!
Count 1001 TVs.